Sure is nice to have dry roadways out there this morning. One quick check of radar here, and believe it or not, we do have a few insignificant flurries still coming down across the area this morning, but this stuff is not going to add up to much. You can kind of see a little bit maybe across northern Niagara County. Looks like maybe a little bit popping up here on the border between Genesee and Wyoming. There was some activity along the PA line, but that has scooted southeast away from our area as the storm system pulls away from us. A report of a little bit of flurry activity now at the Buffalo Airport. Also at Rochester, the -SN means light snow. And a light snow shower back to the west at Hamilton, Ontario. Well, gosh, it sure has been a cold and snowy winter, and some huge snowmen have been popping up around the area this weekend and over the winter. Check this out from Amy at Newfane, and then another shot of a huge snowman down at Forestville. This is being sent in by Michael. Thanks for the News Tracker shots. Hey, let's take a look at your spring countdown for this Tuesday, and less than a month away now, down to 26 more days. You gonna make it? Sure we will. We always do. Let's check out your forecast for today. Some clouds out there to begin the day. 13 degrees for the morning commute. 17 at noontime, 20 at 5 p.m. and more sun building into the picture here during the midday and the afternoon. Looking very nice as we work our way through the afternoon hours, even for you folks down here to the south, where there's been somewhat thicker cloud cover so far this morning. As we get into the overnight period for this Tuesday night, it's going to be downright cold. In fact, it's going to be colder tonight than it is out there right now, because with the clear skies and light winds and a snowpack on the ground, and again, the warmth that builds up in the atmosphere today, which isn't going to be much to start with, is just going to re-radiate back into space. So by tomorrow morning, some of the inland valleys easily dipping down to the sub-zero range, closer to 10 near the immediate lakeshore. And as we get into Wednesday, well, temperatures start to turn the corner here. We start to bounce back into the 30s with good amount of sunshine across the area for Wednesday. Eventually, some clouds start to head our way from out of the west. These will be arriving as we get into Thursday, and eventually maybe producing a few light rain showers, perhaps a few wet flakes mixed in across the higher terrain. Varying amounts of cloud cover out this morning. Maybe just a stray flurry in areas to the north of the city now. We're picking up a little bit of that activity in the observations and the radar, but insignificant stuff. Don't have to worry about that. Cloudier down there on the I-86. 12 degrees at Buffalo right now, 14 for the Falls, a -2 at Dunkirk, and 6 above down at Bradford, PA. Here's your forecast details. Becoming partly to mostly sunny today. Just a chance of a flurry this morning. High temps today, 19 to 23 degrees. For the overnight, very cold and becoming mostly to partly clear. Down to -3 in inland valleys to about 8 degrees in the city. The winds mostly calm. Tomorrow, ample sunshine, not as cold. 31 to maybe as high as 35 along the Pennsylvania border. And on Thursday, look for a cloudier day. Chance of a few light rain showers, maybe a few wet snowflakes mixed in. 36 to 40 degrees. Another storm system will brush the area with a little bit of light snow toward the end of the week on Friday. 34 degrees. And then another little dip in temp for Saturday, 32.